Greetings. This is John Joseph Xavier Cihon coming at you from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And first of all, before we get any further, I want to ask you to slap that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. If you like this video, if you like the kind of content I create, please subscribe. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it really does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. As well, there are links to tip in the description. Now, if you like the content, it's always appreciated, never expected. So if you can and you do like it, go ahead and slap the like button, subscribe, leave a tip as well. And with that out of the way, today we are going to unbox some sneakers that are a little bit different than what I usually do. These are the Vans Old School Spongebob Squarepants. Now, usually I know I unbox Nikes and Jordans and Yeezys and more hypebeast type shoes. But my girlfriend is a huge SpongeBob fan, and she found these on special for $69.99. So she went ahead and pulled the trigger and said I could unbox them on the channel so we can document it. So first of all, the box. I've never bought any Vans before. You can see the box is a little bit smaller than a Nike or a Jordan box. It has SpongeBob graphics on it though, so that's pretty sweet. And it came out June 4th, 2021. Has the date right here. And let's go ahead, without further ado, open these up. So here you go. You got a solid, so this is leather. This feels pretty thick. This is pretty nice actually. SpongeBob is puffy. It may be hard to see. I'll turn it at an angle, but he's like fuzzy and puffy. So we have this looks like a blue and black suede, white leather. Feels decent. And so here you go. And we have this bright blue bottom sole. So here's both the sneakers. And you know, this isn't something that the hypebeasts usually go for. Oh, we got Squidward on the bottom of this one. That's cool. So this one's blank. This one is Squidward on the bottom. And interestingly enough, this one came laced. This one didn't. But it looks like they're still tied. It looks like that's just how Van ships them. That's kind of interesting. So bright blue in the bottom, Squidward. Puffy SpongeBob. Rubber sidewall here, and you know, pretty straightforward old school shoes. So if you like them, I've seen these go on special online. If you like these, definitely pick them up because I don't think they're going to be around too much longer now that they're gone on the clearance. And let's see, here's a SpongeBob tag. And they give you a Vans tag too. And oh, it looks like we have, I think this is the normal paper. Yeah, it has jellyfish. This is special paper, jellyfish and plankton and undersea flowers on it. So this is pretty cool. I think my girlfriend didn't wear, but she took the tags off. That's okay. So, if you like SpongeBob, these are pretty sweet. She loves SpongeBob. And, oh, let's see. One thing that's hard to see is there's some bubbles by SpongeBob right here. Let me hold it up real close to see if you can see them. So there's some bubbles. And these are the SpongeBob Vans off the wall old school. Very traditional. Not a lot of support. That's not what you get this shoe for. And there you go. Let's see if there's a list price on here too. I think they listed for about 100 even, so they were down to 70. I can double check that. I can double check the list price and put it in there. But here you go. Thanks for watching. And again, slap the like button, subscribe. If you can tip and you appreciate this content, please do. And have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.